Hi, I'm Raquel Graham, founder and owner of Pressed Tin Panels. Today we are showing you an installation in an existing kitchen. The splashback is being extended, so we have two substrates. The panels will be going over existing tiles with MDF. The pattern is Carnivale in a classic white powder coat.
In this install we're fitting our powder coated panels directly over existing tiles, which is quite an easy process. The first step is to make sure the tiles are clean. Sugar soap is a good product for this. We recommend using a polyurethane adhesive on the tiles, which also gives an excellent adhesion. Our panels can be folded on site simply using a solid surface with a square edge. Liquid nails can be used on the MDF panels. We recommend to try the panels in place before applying adhesive, just in case trimming is required. Pot rivets may be used to hold the panels in position, especially along the joins. When drilling into tiled areas, a masonry drill is required. Always make sure your overlap joins fit together neatly. When cutting and trimming panels, always use a good quality pair of tin snips. Using long straight nips will give you a much neater and straighter cut. In this install, we used a tile edge to give a neat finish on the edge of the panel. Any pot rivets used can be painted with touch-up paint, which can be ordered with your panels. In some cases, especially older houses, you may have to use gap filler in some of the joins. Using masking tape helps give the nice clean edge. Once it's dry, it can be touched up with the paint. Around the bench top, where the panels meet, apply a bead of ultra clear silicone. This will create a water barrier to stop any moisture getting behind the panels. Applying a pressed tin panel splashback over existing splashbacks including tiles, glass, stainless steel is quite easy and can be done by any confident handy person.